Grindr registration error easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the registration error on Grindr and how you can fix it as well, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically solve the registration error on Grindr, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is, first of all, you might be facing errors if you're not following the instructions correctly. Open up Grindr app. You might be trying to sign up from here. This is not a sign up page. This is a login page. To sign up, you have to tap the sign up option from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on sign up, you also have to make sure to agree to the terms and service here. Once you've done that, this could also be a very important step. Just enter a date of birth that would make you over 18 years of age, right? So if your birthday is not making you over 18 years of age, you can calculate it. You will not be able to sign up on Grindr. This is a very important step. Now you can tap the next option. Of course, now the final step comes here. Is to enter the email address that you have access to over here, right? And once you enter the email address that you have access to, create a password, confirm the password, make sure that they are the same, tap on create account, and it should be able to solve and create your account. But if it's still not registering it, you can instead try to register with Facebook or your Google account over here for easy access. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.